Hey, this is Tom with Nextiva. In this video, we'll show you what Wi-Fi calling is and how it can keep you better connected in your business. As today's workforce continues to work remotely, moving your communication tools to the cloud is becoming an important transition. Wi-Fi calling is the ability to use your business phone anywhere you have internet, so you can make and receive calls beyond the office. If you have strong network coverage where you choose to work, you can move your phone system to the cloud and communicate with your team using HD voice. The simplest way to make a Wi-Fi call is through a VoIP system. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. Basically, it uses Wi-Fi to make calls instead of traditional landlines. This means all the system hardware to support the call is handled by the VoIP service provider, so you only need your smartphone, laptop, or desk phone with no additional cost of ownership. With apps like Nextiva, you can make calls right from your mobile device as if you were calling from your office. Wi-Fi calling is also easy to enable on iOS and Android devices without using your cellular provider. It ensures high-quality, consistent calls whenever you're using an internet connection and protects you from data and roaming charges. Android and iOS devices now have accepted universal standards for VoIP calls in a way that is optimized for battery life and the user experience. Fundamentally, Wi-Fi calling uses VoIP to provide callers with an experience more consistent with their business communication tools. You can now select the right plan and phone number that works for your business and no longer need to rely on your personal information being shared. With the advanced technology in today's wireless routers, you can have great network connections, which leads to clearer conversations, uniform branding, and higher reachability. If you're ready to learn more about how Wi-Fi calling can help you keep connected, check out our blog post, linked in the description below. Also, if you found the information in this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications to stay in the loop. Again, this is Tom with Nextiva, and we'll see you next time.